Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I try to respond personally to every question on my YouTube channel. And the question that came up was, how do I insert the iPhone into the here's Sean Coonery, into the Mavic 2 Pro's controller? And this same procedure is applicable for Mavic 2 Zoom, and it's a very similar procedure for the Mavic Air and the Mavic Pro. But it's not a dumb question at all. And a lot of people are probably going to comment within this video's description and say, man, why are you posting that? Well, it's not actually that straightforward, especially if you haven't done it before. So the first thing you're going to want to do, even if you have a very slim profile case like I do, and this is the larger iPhone 7 Plus, even if you have a very slim profile case, you're probably going to need to take it off. And that's something I wish there was a way DJI's controller design would allow people to keep their phone in the case, because I know whenever I take it out of the case, that's probably when I'm gonna break it. So what I do out of best practice is I typically keep my case very close by, and in a safe and dry and non-hard surface location, such as a table, I put my phone inside of my Mavic 2 controller. And in that way, there's, it's reducing the possibility that I may damage the phone while it's not in its protective case. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull this side out and then pull the other side out. Now this is a point of failure for a lot of people. You can see both sides are pulled out. But what you need to do is gently pull this one out even more. See how it's out really far to the side now? Looking at that close, you can see there's a bigger gap right there. So what this is going to enable me to do, and again, I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus, the large iPhone. So depending upon your size of phone, and maybe you're not using iPhone, but I'm doing iPhone tutorial in this because that's what I use. If you weren't using iPhone, you would swap this cable for whatever type of cable your device uses. But you can see right there, there's the lightning style connector, and it's simply inside of that, and it'll slide either way. So what you want to do is grab your iPhone, and obviously make sure the screen is facing you, facing this part of the controller. Gently insert the top of the iPhone into there. See, there's plenty of room. And then gently push your finger on the back of this piece, and then gently push and feel it insert into the iPhone. Once it's inserted, what you then want to do is gently push up, making your phone make contact with the base of the controller. See how that is? And you can, depending upon personal preference, you can kind of maneuver this around, and you can maneuver this around and do whatever works best for you. Now see, now you've got your phone in there. That's your screen for when you fly. So it's actually pretty straightforward. But again, just to recap, the first thing you're going to want to do is drag this out, pull this out gently as far as it'll go to give you plenty of room. You're going to want to make contact on this side. In my case, with the iPhone 7 Plus, stuck the lightning style connector in the bottom of the iPhone 7 Plus. And then once I did that, then I gently pushed these together and confirmed that the base of the controller is snug with my iPhone 7 Plus. Again, this is with the iPhone 7 Plus, but the same or similar procedure will likely work with other iOS devices as well. Hope this video is of value. If it was, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon down there to be notified whenever I post another video. If you like this video, hey, like the video. Give me a like. That helps a lot. Share with others. If you want to support my channel, you can choose to do so. Expand this video's description. You can find a link to support Rick Sky's Adventure channel on Patreon. Also, if you're looking for a drone, whether it's the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic Air, the Phantom, you name it. All the drones, all the accessories, go to my website. Expand this video's description. You can find a link at the top. For all of your drone accessory needs, come to my website. Thanks in advance, and I appreciate y'all's viewership. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.